Sometimes when we're recording videos, you'll get what's called the noise floor. This is the background noise that sometimes you don't even realize is there until you come to edit your videos. Usually this requires you to go into your software and apply different filters and different audio effects just to get a clean, crisp sounding audio. But sometimes these different measures can affect the audio in a lot of different ways, from making your voice sound very tinny to losing aspects of the voice in the audio. To counteract this, we're going to be looking at Nvidia's new RTX voice application, which is AI based and works through your graphics card to remove the background noise as you're recording. This will save a lot of time in editing videos afterwards and should give you nice, clean, crisp audio. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the link on the screen, and I'll put a copy of that in the description below, and you want to click on save. Then let the file download and click the run button. This program is specifically for Nvidia RTX card, but it can be used with other cards that aren't compatible. So when the program starts up and starts to install, it will do a compatibility check, and once it's done this, it will recognize the card and you may get the error message that it can't be installed. So go ahead and close down the installer for now. So we'll go ahead and take a look at a workaround so that you can install it with any Nvidia graphics card. Using File Explorer, go to your C drive on your computer, and you want to head to the temp folder, which is usually hidden by default, so make sure that show hidden files is turned on. Navigate to Nvidia RTXvoice, and then the folder NVAFX, and open the RTXvoice file as a WordPad document. Once open, locate the section titled Constraints and delete it. Save the file, then go back to the Nvidia RTXvoice folder and manually start the installer from there and not from where you downloaded it to. The installer should now work and it will complete the installation, and once complete, click close and RTXvoice will start automatically. On the screen you'll see a simple dialog box to control RTXvoice. You have an input and an output drop-down menu. If we take a closer look at the drop-down menu, you will see all the audio input devices currently connected to the PC. And below that is a drop-down menu for all the audio output devices connected to the PC. RTXvoice can be used to play back video that has background noise that hasn't been edited out, and by selecting the output device, it will cut the background sound out of a noisy video. Once you've selected your microphone in the RTX window, go into your audio recording software and a new option will appear in the microphone selection area, Nvidia RTXvoice. Select that as your audio source. You can also select Nvidia RTXvoice as an output source as well. So here we have my microphone connected to RTX, and RTX is connected into Audacity. And you can probably hear I've got the air conditioning running behind me, which is causing quite a high noise floor. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn on RTX. And you should hear a complete difference. The air conditioning is completely gone and you can hear my voice clearly. And this is all down to a simple app working through the graphics card. So I'll turn it off again, and you'll hear the noise floor increase again, and you can hear the air conditioning in the background. So that's Nvidia's RTXvoice software, and as you can tell by the test that I did with the air conditioning unit, which was on full, it's quite capable of handling that sort of level of noise. So overall, it's going to increase your performance and your quality of videos, even if you're using lower end or budget microphones and audio equipment. So I'm impressed with what I've seen so far. It's still in development, so there will be times when it won't perform quite as well as you expect, but overall 5-star, and I like it. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.